Question is that find the image of the point 3, 8 with respect to the line, assuming that the line to be a plane mirror. Okay, so let's have a discussion of this question using the Cartesian plane. So let's say this is the plane mirror that we have. I'm taking the horizontal mirror. Okay, and this is a line which acts as a plane mirror, and the equation of this line is x plus 3y is equals to 7. Now there is a point, the there is a point 3, 8 with respect to the line, right? So I am making that point was it is, let's say they both are perpendicular. So let's say this is the point that we have 3, 8. So let's take this point as M. Okay, and we know that the distance of the image from this point is completely equal to the object distance from this point P. Okay, so let's say this is the object distance Q, and we don't know the coordinate of this. So let's say the coordinate of this is A comma B, right? Now, this is clear because plane mirror gives you the distance of object from this P point, that is equals to PM. So QP is equals to PM, this you know. Now they both are perpendiculars, right? So if they both are perpendicular, then we know if I will find the slope from this equation. So slope will be, I will tell you, wait a minute, let me divide by 3. So whatever you have with x, that is the slope. The slope from this part is, let's say m1, which is equals to minus 1 by 3. Now because they both are perpendicular, so we can easily find out for MQ line, what is the slope? So slope for this line is m2. So we know that when two things are perpendicular, the product of their slope is equals to minus 1. So minus become positive, and minus 1 multiply with 3 by 1. So minus minus cancels. So m2 is equals to coming as 3. So the slope of this line mq is coming as 3. And there is a point 3, 8. So whenever we have a point and we have the slope, we can easily find out the equation of line MQ. So equation of line MQ, that is equals to, what is the formula? Y minus Y1 is equals to X minus X1. So what is Y1? 8. And what is the slope? 3 and X minus 3. So when we sort out this one, this gives me y is equals to 3x, and this gives me minus 9, and 8 will go there. Minus 9 plus 8 is minus 1. So this is the equation of this line. Now, whenever we have two lines equation, so this is one of the line and this is one of the line. So I got two equation. Now, when you got the equation and these two lines are intersecting, MQ line and this line is intersecting, so we can easily find out the P point by using either the substitution or the elimination method. So we can solve these two equations. So I have x plus 3y is equals to 7, and I have y minus 3x. So I'm taking 3x to that side, becomes negative. So negative 3x plus y is equals to minus 1. So this is your equation. So I have to solve it. So I will multiply this equation by 3. So it becomes 3x plus 9y is equals to 21. 3x plus 9y is equals to 21 minus 3x plus y is equals to minus 1. So this will cancel out, gives you 10y is equals to 20. So y is coming as 2. When y is coming as 2, I will put it any of the equation. Let me put it here. So y is coming as 2, go to that side, become minus 3. So x is coming as 1. So this point P, the values is coming 1, 2. Now everyone, so this is normal elimination method I have used to find out x and y, which I got as 1, 2. Now I have to find this Q. I know that P is the midpoint of MQ. So if I can easily find out, I can easily use the midpoint formula, for which is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 by 2. And we have the midpoints at 1 and 2. So this, let's say this is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. So 3 plus a over 2, comma, 8 plus b over 2. And I have the midpoint as 1, 2. So I will put x with equals to 1 and this portion of y equals to this 2. So it gives me, wait a minute, it gives me 3 plus a by 2 is equals to 1. So a is 2 minus 3, which is minus 1. And 8 plus b by 2 is equals to 2. So b is coming as negative 4. Okay, so A, comma B. So Q point coordinates is -1, -4, right? So yeah, thank you so much.